Welcome to a special holiday edition from 3D Learning Experts. This year, we're bringing you holiday hacks for dyslexia. Whether you're wrapping presents, lighting the menorah, or keeping up with the holiday hustle, we've got tips and tricks to make this season merry and dyslexia-friendly. Let's dive in. Holiday time can be stressful for everyone, but for families with dyslexia, the season's many tasks can feel extra overwhelming. That's why we've gathered some simple and festive tips to help make things easier and fun for everyone, whether you're celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, or both. First up, wrapping gifts. Wrapping can be tricky for anyone, but especially if reading and following directions on gift tags is tough. Here's a quick hack. Try color coding your gift tags. Use different colored markers or stickers to label presents for each person. It's easy to match the colors with who they belong to, even if reading the names is a challenge. Next, holiday shopping. For many, writing out shopping lists can feel daunting. But instead of traditional lists, try using a visual shopping list. Use pictures of the items you need, or even organize the list by store sections with photos. This way, you'll stay organized without getting bogged down by text. Holiday cards are a tradition, but writing them out can take time. If handwriting is a challenge, try these hacks. Use a computer to type your message, then print it on pre-designed holiday cards, or even consider using a text-to-speech app to help you get the words out. That way, you can still send warm wishes, whether it's a Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah, without stress. When it comes to decorating the tree or lighting the menorah, things can get overwhelming if your child struggles with sequencing. Make decorating easier by organizing ornaments by color or size, or if you're lighting the menorah, use a visual guide to help remember which candle to light each night. Lay everything out in advance so the process feels like a fun game rather than a challenging task. Now, who doesn't love holiday treats? But recipes can be tricky if reading directions is difficult. A great hack is to use a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa to read out the recipe to you. You can also try color coding the steps in the recipe to make it more visual. These simple Christmas and Hanukkah hacks can help make your holiday season stress-free and dyslexia-friendly. It's all about finding creative ways to stay organized and make the season fun for everyone. From our family to yours, we wish you a merry, bright, and joyous holiday season filled with love, laughter, and light. Remember, the holiday season is about enjoying the little moments, so make them as bright as possible for everyone, no matter the challenge. Like our channel for more helpful tips and tricks from 3D Learning Experts.